can hear you. Good afternoon, Rajnish.
Good afternoon, Vivek.
Okay, could you introduce yourself?
Myself, I'm Rajneesh Kumar. I'm from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I have completed my graduation in 2018, and uh, just now I am preparing for the PEGA. That's it.
Okay, okay, that's great. Let me introduce myself as well for the sake of video. You know, my name is VBhosale and I am from Maharashtra itself, from Latur district, and I am 25-year old. And right now I am working in IT company as a developer. And except this, my hobbies are playing and watching cricket and reading books. And I am a melancholy person. I like to listen to music. That's all about myself.
Mhm.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. What are your hobbies?
My hobby is playing chess. That is one of my best hobby.
Okay. Do you like to play chess?
Sometime I used to plant some uh, trees. That is also my one of hobbies.
Hmm. Okay. Why did you choose your career in a Pega developer?
Pega is one of the course in which there is a no code, and nowadays demands are more in Pega,
Sorry, Rajnish,
and
your
career
voice
is
is
also good here.
breaking.
It's
Your
breaking,
voice
huh?
is breaking in between the conversation. Yes. Can you fix it?
Hello. Yes. Hello.
Yes. Yes. Now you are clear. Can you repeat it again?
Sure. Actually, I have taken the Pega because of low code. In the Pega, there is no code while you are working on a project or anywhere. So and demand is more here. That nowadays Pega's demand is more. Career is good here. That's why I have decided to take a Pega course.
Okay. Means you are taking course in Pega developer.
Yes.
Okay. How long you have been doing course in Pega?
6 month.
Okay. Did you complete 6 months or still going on?
It has been completed, but still I am practicing on that because I'm working on recent project actually. That's why.
Okay, that's great. Then how is the culture in Hyderabad?
Hyderabad culture is good, but while I came here at that time, I suffered so many problems because of language. At that time, I was not able to talk in English. People were
Mhm.
talking in Telugu, so at that time I suffered. Even I was going in any place, everyone was talking in Telugu. So one of the common language for me was English. So I was trying to talk in English. After that, little bit. I'm able to talk.
Yeah, that's great. Then what languages do you speak?
Hindi, English, both I can speak.
Okay. Then how is the environment in your class?
Environment is good. Each and every person is here who is talking in English. No one is there who will talk in another other language because everything, even tools, even environment, working environment is same here because in real time, if we will go there, we have to talk in English. Even sometime you have to explain all those things in English. That's why same environment sir is giving here, so we are trying to talk in English. That's it.
Okay, that's great. Then how many interviews have you given so far?
Till I have given two interview, but mm, I didn't get job. Still I am
Mhm.
trying.
Then
Mm.
what happened in that interview?
The funny thing was that he was asking about my village,
Okay.
what is the famous things, and what how you were involved on that
Mhm.
things. That was the one of the funny thing for me.
Okay, means you work physically in HR only, right?
Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, that is the main. Actually, communication is very important. You should know everything about it because interviewer can ask anything. They can ask
Yes,
anything.
yes,
Even
yes, yes.
we don't know what they are going to ask. But still, we need to ready while going interview, right?
Yes, 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 of course, yes.
And recently, I got to know that you, you did travel somewhere in Kerala. Where did you travel in
Yes,
Kerala?
yes, yes. Ah, yes, 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 yes. I went Kerala.
Where did you travel in Kerala?
In
In,
LFP, in Munnar, and Allapuza, these things I have visited.
okay. Still, your voice
My one of
breaking.
the
Mhm.
I think problem is in headphone. I think so.
Yeah, maybe.
Hmm.
Could you repeat again?
So
Mm-hmm.
I went. Basically, I took a package for the
Mm-hmm.
by a tour agent.
Mm-hmm.
They, I think, 5 places or 6 places he has mentioned
Mm-hmm.
all over the that who has mentioned all those things where I
Mm-hmm.
have visited, included boat house, even Munnar in good hotels
Mm-hmm.
like that.
Okay. Then have you visited in Hyderabad, like Ramoji Film City? That is a famous in Hyderabad.
That is in my list. I have to visit there. Still, I didn't get a chance to go there, but definitely one day I'll go.
Okay.
Still, I'm planning,
Okay,
but
you are planning.
I need a friend, but no one is there. That's why I'm not going.
Okay. Then how long you have been living in Hyderabad?
I think 7 months is completed. 7 months, yes.
Okay. And what kind of places do you recommend from in Ranchi? What kind of places are there in Ranchi?
In Ranchi, so many places are there where people can visit because all over the Jharkhand, Ranchi is the capital, as you
Yeah.
know,
Yeah.
and Ranchi is also famous for Dhoni, MS Dhoni. If a
Mm-hmm.
person who
Yeah.
play cricket or who knows about cricket, you never forget the captain.
Yeah. Yeah.
Our
Definitely.
yes, yes. So he comes from Ranchi.
Mm-hmm.
So and temperature is good there. Even while we will talk about the weather,
Mm-hmm.
one of the good thing is weather is good there, and uh, you will not feel sunny anytime, even
Okay.
in
It is always
few
pleasant.
days. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
And greenery is too much there. Even
Mm-hmm.
it is in hill area, you can so many places are there where water. Ranchi is also famous for waterfall.
Mm-hmm.
One of the waterfall is Undru Fall, the Sampal,
Mm-hmm.
Panchaghat, like
Mm-hmm.
that. Mm.
Okay. Then what kind of food do you take in Ranchi?
One of my favorite food is Tuska.
Okay.
That I
What is
didn't
it?
get in
What is it?
Tuska. Tuska.
Can you tell me
Uh,
in brief, please?
I don't know how to make, but little
Mm-hmm.
bit I know. This
Mm-hmm.
they used to make with rice.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Arwa rice they used to make. They will put it in water for all night with
Mm-hmm.
uh, dal, chana dal. They will put
Chana
it
dal. Okay.
all night. They will put in water. After that, next day they will grind it in sillet.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't know the is of
Mm-hmm.
sillet. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, they will grind it. After that, in oil they will fry.
Okay.
with chicken, if a person who is a non-vegetarian, he can eat
Mm-hmm.
with that. That is
Okay.
super taste. I have never eaten, even I have not seen these things. And one of
Okay.
the famous food is also litti chokha. uh, you know that.
Mm-hmm. Wiki Chopper, no,
uh,
no, I don't, sorry.
it is also famous, litti
Okay,
chokha.
if I get chance in 7 days or maybe anytime, then I will definitely, I would like to try that food.
Sure, sure, sure. If you will come, please make contact with me.
Yeah,
I will
definitely.
food. I
Yes,
will together we will eat.
definitely, 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 no problem. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Rajnish?
My strength is I I will never give up. Whatever I have decided, I will never give up. Still, I will not
Mm-hmm.
complete till I will do. So this is
Mm-hmm.
my strength, I think. And weakness
Mm-hmm.
is while I will decide anything, I have to do this, and until
Mm-hmm.
complete, I will not take rest. Even if I will get sleep in night, that will be running in my subconscious mind. So that is
Mm-hmm.
my weakness.
Then how do you overcome that weakness?
uh, Sometime I used to fix it by taking break, and still I will complete that. Automatically it will be fixed.
Okay, that's good. No issue. Where do you see yourself in next 2 to 3 years?
I'm hoping, and I used to see myself in next 2 year or 3 year as a in a good company with reported industry. Like if I'm doing I'm playing the role as a senior manager or senior employee, like that. There
Mm-hmm.
I have to see in next 5 years or 2 years.
Okay. Do you know how different is Pega developer than like other languages, Java, CPP, Python? What is the difference?
I don't know these things, but that I know
Mm-hmm.
in Pega, generally Java code in some places in
Mm-hmm.
background, Java code
Mm-hmm.
used to run. That I know,
Mm-hmm.
and but I don't have that much knowledge about the Java and other languages. In 12th level, I know about C++ because it was in syllabus. That's why I was aware about that. And
Mm-hmm.
Python, I don't know. Sorry for that.
Okay, no issue, no problem. Then Danish, do you have any questions for me? Do you want to ask something?
Yes, yes, yes. I'm curious about you. What you used to do? From where do you belong? Currently, what you are doing?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. I am from Latur in Maharashtra, that is in Maharashtra, Latur district. And right, the main thing is that I have completed my graduation in B mechanical. My
Okay.
my graduation done in a Corona period. So at that time I didn't get job anywhere. I was searching in
Mm,
mechanical department. I didn't get. Then one of my friend suggested me to complete the course in IT. Then I joined Java developer course in IT. So after 1 year later, I got job in IT company, and that was
mhm.
not easy for me. But with consistent practice and consistent effort, I made it here. And right now, I am working here in IT company at point.
That's nice.
Yeah, that was myself.
I'm hoping I will start my that journey also very soon because I am preparing hard.
No, 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 definitely you will get. Okay, you will get definitely one day. Just try and be consistent with your whatever you are doing. Definitely, it will get. If you try to procrastinate the things, then you will get procrastinate the things. You will not get it properly.
Mm,
So try to do it in a regular basis. Okay. Once you start working on a consistent, way, then definitely you will be somewhere in a for your position for Pega development. Yeah. Then how is environment
Anything?
there in Hyderabad? How are you all doing?
Actually, Hyderabad environment is too good.
Hmm.
I didn't get chance to visit so many places, but little bit I know. Last Sunday I went Charminar. That was good
Oh.
experience,
Hmm.
and some temple I went. I'm forgetting the name actually.
Hmm.
Chilkur Balaji temple. There I have visited. That is
Okay.
also one of the best experience for me. And
Hmm.
that day it was raining. That's why I'm mentioning these things. That was
Oh,
the one of the best day.
that's great.
And
Is it raining there?
yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Then how was your day?
It is good. Always it is good. I'm starting my day in morning. All my days is going for in practice my Pega
Hmm.
project, and that's why it's going good. Only Saturday, Sunday I used to take break because all day I can't. All day
Yes,
I'm
yes. Yeah, that means you are looking positive person.
involved in
Yeah,
Pega.
you are
That's
your
why
voice is
I want
actually
to rest on Saturday, Sunday.
okay. That's good. You are a
Yes,
positive
yes, your
person.
voice is also breaking.
You are a positive person actually. That means you
Yes, yes, of
definitely
course.
you will achieve your dream very soon. Just keep practicing. Okay.
Thank you for this compliment.
Yeah, and they definitely we will meet one again. We will meet soon. Okay.
Sure, sure,
Yeah,
sure,
that's it.
sure, sure.
Now it's time to wrap up our conversation. We have a very short time.
Okay.
Actually, I have another one. That's all.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
Don't worry.
great.
We'll meet.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.